Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Is drinking water while standing allowed in Islam? Answer. There is hadith in Sahih Bukhari that Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu offered the Zohar prayer and then sat down in the wide courtyard of the mosque of Kufa in order to deal with the affairs of the people till the Asr prayer became due. Then water was brought to him, and he drank of it, washed his face, hands, head, and feet. Then he stood up and drank the remaining water while he was standing, and said, some people dislike to drink water while standing. Thought the Prophet did as I have just done. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Some people say that it is after ablution water. No, Hazrat Ali categorically said that it is allowed. He said some people dislike to drink water while standing, otherwise, he would have said that some people dislike drinking water while standing after ablution. Also, it is available in Tirmizi. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported during the lifetime of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we would eat while walking and would drink while standing. Imam Tirmizi has commented on this that those ahadiths are cancelled in which it is forbidden to eat or drink while standing on the authority of this hadith. Practically all agree to this hadith. Those who were the biggest deniers, like Dr. Tahir Qadri, have also agreed. Drinking water while standing in a public gathering, he said that there is hadith from Maula Ali that drinking water while standing is allowed.